Okay, students, this is evidence, the essay part 2, talking about evidence. So this is your second video on it, but I wanted to briefly go over with you what is due by midnight tonight on Monday. You guys have chosen your topic. Even if your thesis statement is not perfect yet, you have a topic. And within that topic, you can find examples from the book. If you've chosen courage, the examples are plentiful in every book that we have. If you've chosen something like education and you don't know how to find maybe from a third source, maybe you shouldn't be doing that topic. If you need to, make sure, number one, you talk to me about your topic. Once you have your topic, you should be able to find evidence, even if we still have some work to do on the thesis statement. But your evidence needs to be 2 separate things from within each book. So you have 6 total pieces of evidence that are due. I'm not even going to ask that you have it cut down to the exact quote, but you do need to know exactly what you're talking about. You can't just say, Henry was brave. You need to give me a very specific idea of what you're looking for on your quote, and it needs to be by tonight. So I'm not asking you to give me page number. Maybe you're going for page 275 in To Kill a Mockingbird. If you are that specific with your evidence, you are where you probably should be. If you don't have a specific page reference yet, you need to at least give me 2 topics. And the way that you're turning in your evidence is this. I want it on Juno Docs, and let me tell you why. On Juno Docs, I can give you feedback within your text. It stores it the same way it does for Google Docs, but it gives me the ability when you turn it in to see it right there on the sheet. If you turn in a Google Doc, I have to click it, and if you don't have the permissions set up correctly, I have to ask for access to your document, and it just gets messy. But with Juno Docs, it's right there. So on the Juno Docs, how you do that is you go to the assignment. So the assignment will be called essay evidence, or probably final essay evidence. And it'll have tomorrow's date, which is what, May 4th? So it'll be 5/4. Okay, that assignment, once you click on there, will have a way for you to turn it in, and you can either choose Google Docs, you can choose from this computer, you can choose several different ways to turn it in. From materials, I want you to choose Juno Docs. Once you've chosen Juno Docs, you just literally type it in the way, or you can even copy paste it from a Google Doc. So if you would rather use a Google Doc, you can just copy paste it over and let it go in that way. I am looking for complete sentences. I am not looking for you to just give me a phrase, but you should have the title of each book. So let's say you have Lord of the Flies. And then underneath it, you should have if you have a page number, put a page number, and then give me what that example is. Even if you don't have quote word for word, you should be giving it to me in order so that I have Lord of the Flies and then 2 examples. And then I have To Kill a Mockingbird and 2 examples each time so that I can quickly look through and see, yes, that will work for courage. Yes, that will work for courage. I'm not sure this connects yet, and I can give you feedback within that document to make sure you're on the right track. You are not writing out the essay. The only thing due Monday night is to get this evidence in place so that we can start putting things in on the outline, which is due by the end of the week. I think it had said it was due Thursday. It's going to be due on Friday. Okay? If you have any questions, you need to talk to me now. Guys, this is exactly what you're doing for your essays next year. And if we can't get this taken care of this spring, next fall is going to be really difficult. It's already going to be hard enough being freshmen in high school. We need to get this done now so that you have an idea of what you're walking into, at least for one of your classes. Thanks. Have a good day.